A rare 30-foot frontage, an extra wide driveway with loads of parking, a deep 135-foot lot. You're going to love this extra spacious, meticulously maintained home in North Leaside, and it's available for the first time in almost 40 years. Welcome to 242 Donlea Drive. Come on in. Let me show you around. The foyer opens into a roomy and bright living room with newer windows and freshly refinished hardwood flooring. More freshly refinished hardwood flooring in the dining room and beautiful views of the deep backyard from both the dining room and the kitchen. The second level has a large primary bedroom with newly refinished hardwood flooring, newer windows, and two other well-sized bedrooms and bathroom. North Leaside is a very special community with excellent schools, green spaces, convenient amenities, and easy access to downtown, making it the perfect location for family-friendly living. This very special home is ready for new beautiful memories. Don't miss it. Book your showing today.